What to do when the treadmill makes noise. Possible causes: friction between the running belt or running board, loose screws, roller, or motor failure. Troubleshooting steps: check whether there is any foreign matter between the running belt and the running board, and clean it up. Check whether the running belt is centered and adjust the position of the running belt. Check whether all screws and bolts are tight, and tighten loose screws. Listen to the source of the noise. If it comes from the roller or motor, professional repair may be required.